Y epa lagunok ongetorri lastatxapelen kanalera, ongetorri Red Dead Redemption bi honetara, kaso honetan hartu dugu John Marstonen historia hoia jokoa behin gaindituta lortzen den gauzatxoa izango litzateke. Eta kaso honetan joango gara zurroiak erostera eta printzipioz hortik erakuti dudanaren arabera peristek saltzen zaituzten gauzaiek dira horrela lortu aldira kaso honetan Jonekin arropa bereziak eta bar. Eta beraz joango gara bideo honetan egiaztatzera zuzenean gure etxetik atera eta arantza joaten mosketarik egin gabe. Gero ere partidaren bat jokatuko dugu agian zuzeneko batean trukoak eta bar erabilita. Naiz eta gero ezin gorde barre batzuk botatzeko eta bar. Eta agian egingo ez genituzken zerbait gauza egiteko eta bar. Badirudi erutsi garela dagoeneko Blackwaterrera. Arthurrekin onatatzen maginen gut tiroteatzeko aukera asko zeuden.
Hey there.
Sir.
Oh, back to cause more trouble, are you?
Joate barko lukete Red Dead Redemption 3 eta protagonista izatea Sadie Adler. Ustut pertsonai horrek merrezi dela pila bat bere bideoioko izatea.
I'm looking for my friend.
Nire handi jakin nahi dut nora raio den Gavin hori.
Where the hell are you?
Mister. Hello, sir. Hey, partner.
Hey partner.
Excuse me. Hey, partner.
Has anyone seen Gavin?
No, era rayo da.
Miss?
¿Sabes? Los hombres listos no son.
Hello there.
Vale.
Has anyone seen an Englishman called Gavin?
Sure, you can look.
Alright.
Don't try me.
I'm looking for my mate Gavin. Somebody help me. Gav? Gav? I've lost my friend. Somebody help me, please.
What are you waiting for, then?
Has anyone seen Gavin?
Guess that's through.
Neuperista.
I'm sorry.
I'm looking for Gavin. Be my best friend. He left
Hey,
me.
easy now.
I lost him. I mean,
All right,
I
girl.
lost him.
Ah, karo, gainera erratu gara.
Seen an Englishman.
Really
Really funny he is.
denda, joan gara dendan armatera peristara joan beharren, bale, ba, bidai luzea daukagu araño heltzeko. Bueno, horrela apur bat, bueltatxo bat emango dugu. Joan behar gara pikutan dagoen zonalde batera. Jokoaren gauzatxo da. Gainera ez dakit ez da zenbat diru daramagun gurekin.
Well, hey there, partner. Come take a look at this.
Ez. Hemen da beste egunean Arturrekin tirugatu gintuzten zonaldea. Gutxigatik ez genuela gainera ihes egitea lortu. Tren bat dago gure inguruan, entzuten da lokomotoraren zarratxo bat, txaka.
Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus!
You're okay. You're okay.
I won't die to no wolf.
Ba ez utzi.
I'm out. Oh God, I'm out.
Lehainoa sartzen ari da. Eskerrak ez dugun zonalde alturik igaro behar gure helburua joateko, batez ere 8-engatik eta bat. A ver, Guasemank. Ilargi betea. Orain goriza arazorik ez dugu izan. Odrizkolak ja menperatu genituen. Indio jarrak ledu batetik bestera hor iluntasunean. Hemen inguruan lehen kanpamelekoa izan genuen. $20 soilik.
Hey, buddy.
Agian goizan helduko garara.
You! Stay right there and don't move!
A ver,
Okay, okay.
txidazue pakian.
I'll go make a call for you.
Kagoen. Bete egon berde potroak ikutzen, Bueno, ya no da tengo el orain. Vale. Vale. Oye, lapurtu gute gure momenturik onena. Ja, Klukus Klanekoago. Beriste itxita dago, ezta? Hale. Hau behartuta. Mostordu. Claro, Marston da. Hore nire zalantzak ditut.
You ain't right, is you?
There, boy. You're all right. All right, little fella. Here, boy.
A ver.
Welcome. You just discovered my little shop here?
A
Don't
ver.
bother with Alvin's shop there.
No hay
All right,
código
I
de
have
pago.
everything he has, but better. I can't say what, I just know.
Oh, vale.
Mm-hmm. You will love that, I swear.
Vale. Eta saltzeko zer daukagu.
I trust nobody's missing this too much.
Have a good one.
Vale, lortu dugu ekialdeko kondairazko traje hori. Eta ben joango gara frogatzera. Pentsatu kanpalekuan aldatu garela erropas, pentsatu nahi dut. Hemen ezin du arropa hori frogatu. Hemendik... Ea lortzen dugun arropa aldatzea, erakusteko traje berri hori nolakoa den.
No, in truth, this man deserves no earthly respect
Been
from
too
us.
many federals
As a
coming
sign
through.
of respect to
I
our
got some more
Creator,
sense.
we pay respect to the dead. We don't put back the box of hard wood.
Ahí va.
Hey, stupid! Out of the way!
Morning.
John Marston? I don't believe it! I thought you were dead.
Pearson, what are you doing here?
Welcome to my store. How can I help you?
Are you serious?
Yeah! Beats the old butcher's table, doesn't it?
No,
So
eso
what can I
pasa
get for you
dormido.
today, sir?
I'm running out, Rose. Get right here.
How the hell are you?
Pretty good. Got some land in Great Plains. Trying to get a small ranch going.
Really? Wow, good for you. Staying out of trouble then?
I wouldn't go that far, but I'm trying.
This sure has brought the memories flooding back. Not all of them good.
Bueno, es usted ugari.
I'm running out, Rhodes. Get him right here. Want a paper? Well, see you for the next one. I'm running out, Rhodes.
Hemen ez dago lo egiteko zonalderik ala.
Get him right here.
Oh, ma'am!
Oh, come on, move!
Hello there.
need some today?
I'll stand here.
Hello, stranger. Welcome.
Hi, fellas.
Good morning to you. Fella? Well, hey,
out,
you
mister.
want service,
No
you
more
have to go to
bets.
the other side.
Let's play.
They got a lot of respect in this community, even if they can act up out of turn. We admire traditional values here, yes, sir. And we respect good manners.
Vale.
I reckon it's you, son.
How do you do?
Sentitzen dut, John Marston eskonduta dago.
Good morning.
Careful there.
There's that fella I was telling you about. Bad to the core.
How's your luck?
Not my best day, Dad.
Stand.
Barman always has.
Turns out a con man hustled the Gordon family out of most of all their inheritance.
A ver. Wasserman.
A room for tonight, please.
It's ready for you now. Do enjoy.
How do you do?
Hello, ladies.
Good morning to you, sir. Why, really, sir?
Oh, I do apologize.
That's a bust.
You're very kind.
Vale. Eta orain. Zer, non zegoen? Non dago. Ah, vale, hemen ikusten. Hau da ekialdeko konderaren zurroia. Hemeretzi ordu. Lo luze bat. Ba, beno lagunak, azkena lortu dugu zurroi hau, lortu daiteke jokoa bukatu ostean lortzen duzun diruarekin eta misioekin, eta hurrengoan gehiago.